Let's all rise and sing our national anthem. Oh, say, can you sing?
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed, ere the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the
perilous fight for the ramparts we watch were sadly streaming. Gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say the Star-Spangled Banner yet waving for the land of the free on the home of the brave. That took me out. Whoa, scary. Look, we're scary. Oh, scary month. It's scary month, everybody.
Maybe.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe you're scared?
Maybe.
Maybe not?
Maybe.
Yeah, the possibility?
Maybe.
Are you scared or not?
Maybe.
Are you? Yes.
I don't know. I'll have to find out as the program goes on. Oh my God! I just now realized I'm supposed to be scared, and that's not freaking me out. Oh my God! Ah!
Scary. How are you today?
Okay.
Okay, just okay?
Sure.
Have you been better?
Probably.
It's, Sunday.
Yeah. Hello, Sunday.
We're back. Doing it again.
Yeah. Doing it again. 1 hour a day, every day.
Once again.
Once a day.
Every day. Turn on the machines and then we start talking.
We'll be here for an hour.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can't you hear me?
I can hear you, but not myself. Oh, there I am.
Oh.
I just seem a little quiet for some reason.
Okay.
There I am. I'm just like, can't hear things very well.
Well, you guys were recording the new background tape yesterday, so maybe you silenced all of the mics.
Yeah, silenced the mics, did weird things, got scary. Also, the color thing doesn't seem to be working all the way on over there, but how are you? Doing okay? I'm doing real good.
Color? I see the color fine. I don't know.
You want some tomatoes?
No.
What's that on them?
Great. Sat on tomatoes. Oh, scary!
Ooh, what'd you see out there today? Things?
Basically just my apartment.
You didn't get out of the house?
Nope.
You didn't go to your art studio?
No. It's Sunday. The arts walk is now over with. So, no, I didn't go anywhere today. I was kind of, I had spent a lot of time, I guess, researching the various apps that could probably do like screen capture and a preview of what the camera on the computer is doing or what it sees. And it's kind of interesting that that's all, when it comes down to it, it was all like, you could get third-party software, certainly, but why buy third-party software if, I'm good. You would be within Apple software. It was like a QuickTime movie player or something like that. It can have like a video preview of what is in front of the camera, the speaker in front of the camera, and you could cater that window to always show on top, and so it's all kind of an interesting sort of thing that I don't know. There wasn't just like one singular tutorial that I stumbled on. It's like a various sort of websites and doing this some sort of like scavenger hunt in order to find out what actually works, you know, in my capacity with being low cost and whatnot. So people that remember, I don't know, that Family Circus, you know, where Billy or whatever, I forget the name of the girl or the girls in the Family Circus, but Billy would wander all around the neighborhood or the house or whatever in order to do one simple thing.
He'd leave a dotted line behind him.
Yeah, right. So can you put this envelope in the mail before the postman gets there? Thank you. And of course, Billy is like jumping through and playing around with the bird bath and whatnot before he actually drops this envelope in the mailbox for the mailman. So it's been kind of like that kind of like thing. The research that I kind of I do want to prepare for, you know, for like maybe a 30-minute video, and I don't know. It's we got Columbus Day, so I don't even know if my things are if my there's a regular schedule to my thing, or I was down there earlier today before I came down to the studio, and I didn't see any sort of sign that said closed for
This is not recorded.
Columbus Day.
Now it is.
Well, it was recording on the computer, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't set the timer?
You didn't press record.
I thought I pressed record. I pressed
Apparently
record.
not.
Well, I pressed record in order to start the program, but I guess I'll have to see whether or not, you know, take 5 minutes, you know, at the end of the program to look at that. I was lying down on the couch, and then, you know, it's like, okay, now press play and do all this and that. So for the background tape. So if I didn't press play or record, then I guess oh, well, it's still on the laptop though. So no, it doesn't matter what's on the videotape anyway. We're all going slightly more digital every day.
No, we're not. We're going more analog.
Well, it's kind of hard to do if we're going analog if we can't buy videotapes. But anyway.
You can buy them. I buy videotapes every other day.
Yes, but I mean, we were able to find videotapes at Goodwill in Seattle.
But they have them in Goodwill in Thurston County. Don't buy them. I'm one of them.
Right.
Buy them and give them to me, viewer.
Okay. Right.
So no getting out of the house all day, huh?
No. Just I was so exhausted from, you know, doing all that kind of stuff. So I was like, just like slept in until like noon or whatever, and people called me to say whether or not I was coming over to Lacey, and I said no. So, yeah, they said, "Oh, you're gonna be missed then," and I was like, "Yeah, I know, but I'll see you tomorrow." You know that there was like I was not really aware that tomorrow was Columbus Day until like after I hung up the phone or whatever, and it was like, do I have you know a regular routine to go to? But in case I don't, then that's gonna certainly free up time. And TCTV is not open for me to take my submission. I don't even know. They probably got an online Dropbox, but I would rather want them to take a look at what I have produced before they, say, yes, we'll play it without knowing about it.
Who's going to look at it?
Well, I don't know. Dan Bennett or whoever's on the desk.
Why don't we just watch it on the program, and then it'll be on TCTV?
But it's not. I don't have a recording deck or whatever.
You have a digital file?
No, yeah, I only have like SD cards and whatnot, and that's part of the, I guess, the digital lifestyle that the analog is kind of slowly but surely disappearing. If they don't make videotapes with movies on them, and it's videotapes are going to get harder and harder to come by, maybe.
What did you? What's this video? Did you make a video?
Yeah, no, I didn't really start doing it right now, but it's gonna talk. I'm gonna get into how to use TinEye and Google Images to know whether or not the image that they found is actually copyright free, or it's if you can find one particular image on 50 or 100 different wallpaper websites, then it's probably a good image to kind of play around with to get your to explore these websites to upload the image. Yeah, it's kind of a long drawn out process of I'm not sure if people are willing to watch it, but I'll certainly make it and see what happens after that. Basically, a video of the steps that I went through to create art, and so other people can create the art too. It's like, it just kind of shocks me that people are just like don't really know how easy it is. So if you got like 10, 15 minutes, you can, or half an hour is like the airplay of the duration of this video. And so if you can spend half an hour to create something, then you can spend 2.5 hours or 1.5 hours clicking a certain button or whatever and walking away, like I've been doing for months, preparing for arts walks in years past or whatever, as I would go on the program and I would come back on to my apartment and I would knock a layer down to 50%. GMake, this filter from GIMP, you can tell it to create another layer automatically within the Photoshop cloned program. So, and after I would get home, I would say, hey, you just created this layer, now knock it down to 50% because it's too harsh or whatever. But when you bring it down to 50%, it's kind of a nice. You get to see some of the image that it was working on beforehand, and it's so anyway. It's it's going to be interesting. So.
When is that video coming out?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow or in a couple of days.
You already made the video?
No, I didn't already make the video. I'm going to record it tomorrow or in the next couple of days. I mean, strike while the iron is hot, basically.
It's just going to be like a one-shot video?
Oh, yeah.
Like the program? It's like, whoa.
No, it's not like the program. So I don't know how much else I have to say or...
It's like the program in the sense that you just record it.
Oh,
and
yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, well, so I'm gonna scroll through a web page beforehand to look for pictures, and then once I find the pictures and I at least carry it through my phone beforehand. It's important for me to find programs that are cross-platform. So there's a couple of phone apps that are both on Android or Windows. There's a program that is like a Windows phone program that is also available on the Mac, and like GIMP is on the Mac.
Why do you want it to be cross-platform?
Well, so that there would be. I'm not really getting into like a political debate of this program is only available on the Mac.
Speaking of political debates,
this program is only available on the PC or whatever. Yeah. But
did you see the political debate?
Yeah, I for like 5 seconds, and it's like, oh, it's actually happening, whatever, and I clicked it off because
I thought you'd be into it.
No, shit, man. I'm not interested in Hillary or Trump. I really am not.
But one
either
of them's
one
gonna be the president.
Yeah, and that's good. Hooray for the one that wins, and hooray for the one that loses as well, because okay, so nobody ever remembers number 2 or the loser. Well,
Romney, Kerry,
yeah, but
Gore,
all right, but
Kucinich, there was Dole.
But Olympics, people don't
really. We're not talking about we're talking about the presidents, and I remember a lot of them.
Okay, right.
Remember Bob Dole?
Right. I remember Bob Dole, but
Bob Dole.
In this country or in Western culture as a whole, people just the winner takes all, and the loser just kind of retreats back and.
Yeah, but you just don't remember them as
somewhat.
I don't think
insignificance or whatever.
Well, Trump and Hillary they were already really famous before they even were up there. Like I had never heard of Obama or Romney before they were up for the presidency, but I've heard of both of them.
Right. Well,
those two.
People in Massachusetts and Illinois probably knew about their elected officials.
The governor.
Yeah, the governor or senator. Senator Obama, I think that's right.
I bet everybody heard about Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton before this even happened. I think they heard about it before, probably.
Yeah.
Like, they're pretty famous people.
Yeah.
And now so I don't think they're going to not be famous. Whoever loses will still probably be famous. Like, it's hard to become unfamous.
Right. Well, I mean, you can become unfamous by getting involved yourself in, like bad press or.
But then you're infamous. Not unfamous. It takes a long time. It just takes time to become unfamous.
Right.
They'll remember you. Or people.
Sure.
Famous people. Where's the black Sharpies?
I don't know.
Where?
I got a ballpoint pen that works pretty well.
Yeah, but where is the black Sharpie though?
Well, here's a blue one. I don't know. You can't see a whole lot of the desk when the light is shining at your face.
Scary.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
You had to mess with the knob this time when you press the dice.
Yeah.
Scary.
Wow. All right.
Were you scared?
Probably.
There's some
Yeah.
scary sounds in the dice game. Maybe too scary, actually. Here we go. It's a scary dice game. What are you afraid of? Bears? Number, what is it? 6? Is it a 6? I lost. I have 2. What do you have?
I have a 5.
I get this message to go. Why is it not going?
Ooh, there's a spider at the bottom of this cup. Ooh. I don't know if this has a proper zoom, but you can kind of see that that's a block of something.
I'm gonna have to reschedule.
Oh, what the? In the dice cup?
Yeah.
Is it dead?
It's dead.
So,
In the dice
yeah,
cup.
maybe Wednesday?
Scary.
I don't know. Hey, how's it going? I got a cat on my lap and I'm watching a movie.
Yeah, that's
So,
no excuse.
I think I'm just gonna,
I don't know. You
I'm
also
gonna
don't
have to
sound a whole lot
reschedule.
like Bird.
I wanna be there.
Well, then be here. Be here or
So,
be there.
yeah, maybe Wednesday? I don't know. Maybe sometime later this week. All
You
right,
do
I hope
sound
you
a
have a
little
really good program.
low,
Thanks for
maybe.
doing it. And stay warm and dry.
No.
Bye.
I will stay cold and ugly.
Yeah. Let's call him back. I'm gonna go out there. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Here I go. I'm walking around. Whoa! What the heck is going on with the door? Scary.
It's got that megaphone on the back.
Man. What I saw? What did I say? I know I saw something. I don't remember what it was though. I gotta stop trying to remember things. Who are you?
Yeah. Who am I?
What's happening?
What is happening? Who?
Why do
what?
bad things happen to good people?
I don't know. I don't know. But you're watching your Daily Hour with me. It's our long, hard live call-in television talk show that's recorded every day in Thurston County, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, 366 days on leap years. YDHWM began on September 19th, 2010. It tapes a week in advance. So if you're watching this program at 11:30 p.m., this episode taped on the same weekday of the previous week. If you're watching this episode at 2 a.m., this episode taped on the same day of the month of the previous year. You can also watch any episode of the program on YouTube.com. Anyone can come on the program, especially you. There, you saw that. I was pointing. We rely on the community for content, so give us a call at 360-836-4384. Leave a message. We'll play your message on the next episode of the program, and we will call you back. And by the way, just come by 440 Yogaway. We got stuff. We got things. We got dancing. I didn't go to dancing because
Scary.
I was just kind of tired from doing arts walk work.
Yeah. You hear that scary info time though?
And then I just, and I got it into again. So.
It's pretty scary, huh?
Maybe I need to stop being a night owl as a occupation. Yeah.
Do they pay you for that now?
No.
Not really an occupation then.
Unpaid.
You want to start doing the program in the morning?
No.
Become productive members of society?
What do I need to do that for?
We can start waking up at 9 a.m.
I don't have anything to prove.
You don't want to start doing the program?
I don't want to prove anything.
You don't want to do the program at 9 a.m.?
Well, unless you want to do the program at 9 a.m.
Well, maybe if you think
tomorrow.
it'll make you healthy.
I'm not healthy.
You'll become healthy.
You can't make me healthy.
Well, I'm gonna try it by waking you up at 9 a.m. and then you'll regain your health.
Regain my health.
Regain it. How's your Costco?
How did I lose it?
How's Costco enteritis?
It's good.
It's good, or is it bad? You recovered?
I think it's still gone now. Oh, gone. And that is a good thing, because I don't want to...
That sounds like you're talking. That's not a deep... Is that a deep breath? There you go. You still sitting?
Oh, what?
You still sitting down?
Yeah, am I not supposed to sit down?
No, sitting down is fine, but I can see the top of your head. When people walk by down the street, you can see the top of your head.
Oh my god, that's freaky! I'm scared!
No.
Ah! Ah!
Calm down. It's only, but you can only see the top of your head because of the frosting on the windows.
Well, isn't that supposed to be there on purpose?
I
or
guess.
Is it on accident?
I don't know. It looks like it's on purpose. It's a pretty straight line for an accident.
Okay.
The frosting. And it's on all the windows. How come we have the frosted windows? The other windows aren't so frosted in the rest of the building.
Maybe it was kind of a custom order. Custom order.
Oh yeah, but I didn't
it
custom order it.
It feels smooth as glass on the inside. Maybe it's kind of like
rough
sandpaper.
Rough as sandpaper on the outsides. Yeah. Well, it is glass. It's smooth as glass because it is glass.
Well, yeah, but maybe they put some sort of a coating onto it for it to be powder-like, frosty like frosted flakes.
I don't think it's a coating. I think it's like a.
It was created
etching.
that way.
I think it's an etching. I think they blast it, and then it frosts it. I don't think they put stuff. I think it's a subtractive process, not an additive process. To make the frosting process.
Well, right, but how do you get the frosting on there?
I think it's just that they blast the glass so that it's like not super smooth anymore.
Right.
And then that's how they do it. So they don't put frosting on there. They just etch the glass a little bit so that it becomes frosted. They don't have to put anything on there. They just got to scratch up the glass in a uniform way.
Yeah. I don't know, but it's rough on the outside. So.
Scary.
Yeah.
That's how frosting maybe works. I'm not really sure.
Oh yeah, that reminds me that the police car just went by. I don't know if you saw the lights go through the window, but there were 2 stopped police cars at my complex, and then I got a fire engine in my neighborhood.
Yeah.
Fire department, whatever, on Kenyon Street, and so the fire truck made its way towards Division, and then I was able to see the lights, of the fire engine just like emanate throughout, the downtown. Or I mean, not downtown, but the west side, until it was like it reached Division Street, and then it turned into my neighborhood complex. So
what were they doing there?
Hopefully, everyone is doing okay.
Was there a fire?
I didn't know. I was on my way out. I was not wanting to. There was no fire. There was nothing that I could see. Maybe they were a medic. Fire engine ambulance was not too far away.
Hey.
Hey, Bert, it's the program. We're on TV. How you doing today? Oh,
hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Wait, what?
I was almost going to say he's screening phone calls, Bird.
Wait, keep talking, Bert. Hello? Yeah?
Hello. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Keep talking.
I heard a yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there.
Okay.
Maybe. This wire's messed up. We need a better wire. Oh.
Scary.
I'm here.
How are you doing?
And I'm here.
I'm doing good. Okay, you know.
Yep.
Okay, good. Doing well.
Are you sick?
No, maybe a little bit. I'm tired.
You sound a little sick.
Your voice is a little low.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sick? A little sick?
Yeah.
So you know this.
Maybe.
You know this thing. Your voice is a little bit low, sort of thing.
When your voice gets low, maybe you're sick. Like you're a hoarse voice.
Yeah. Maybe I have a cold.
Are you on the verge of a cold? You don't have all just the voice. Maybe it's the first sign of the cold.
Mm-hmm.
You want to play the dice game?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Well,
How
don't
about
make me
number
twist
4?
your arm. Oh, you lost already.
Did you
still.
pick numbers?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Cool.
What kind of cat you got?
It's a little cat, an old cat.
Little and old.
Yeah, little old cat.
What's it doing?
It's curled up, sleeping.
What movie are you watching?
Little Rascals.
From the 90s?
Yeah, think so.
Yeah, I saw that one in the theaters. That was a weird movie.
The Woman Haters Club.
Woman Haters Club? No girls allowed in the club.
Right.
Here it is. 5 and 4. Hey, you and Carl got 500 points.
But I was.
All right.
Did you see that? I was cheating.
Yeah, I saw that you cheated. You want to come on the program on what, Wednesday?
Yeah.
I think Wednesday
Yes.
is going to be maybe, what do you want to do on Wednesday, Carl? Daytime?
Yeah.
Can you do the daytime?
I can do like after 3 o'clock.
Oh, really? Probably 9:30 on Wednesday.
All right.
9:30 p.m., Bird?
Hello.
Hello, Bird. Yeah?
9:30 Wednesday. Excellent.
9:30 p.m.?
Yeah.
You see anything on the streets?
Saw some emergency vehicles.
You too, huh?
Where were they going?
Wow.
They were stopped. Just, you know, like one set was blocking the road, and another was just parked around a car, I guess.
Kind of like my story.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's
I saw Carl.
You did not see me.
I saw Carl on the streets.
Where?
When?
Not right
today.
Downtown by the bridge. I think it was yesterday or the day before.
Did you say hi to him?
No.
Why?
No. Because he was in his car driving.
Oh, were you driving?
I was driving too. Yeah.
Ah.
You passed each other?
Yeah.
You didn't try to give him a little honk or something?
I tried. I was actually following him, and so I kind of followed him a little bit, and then he went a different direction.
Oh.
And so that's just the way it went, Carl.
You have places
Well, you do have an air horn in your 18-wheeler vehicle.
That's true.
Come on.
Yeah, Bird.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds good.
Great. Well, we'll see you on Wednesday.
You remember Smoking the Bandit?
Okay.
Part 2?
I don't.
In part, I don't know.
Do you?
Yeah, I saw them back in the day.
You remember Smoking the Bandit?
No.
Bird?
Yeah, but not part 2. I don't know what that was.
It wasn't it a TV show?
No, it's a movie.
Oh.
Come on, man.
I never saw
Okay.
it. I never saw it.
Okay. I'm all depressed now.
Because Bird doesn't remember Smoking the
No,
Bandit?
it's only like I only know what's going on.
Why does that make you depressed?
Well, because it might, allow me to believe that I have voices and visions.
Do you think if you made up Smokey and the Bandit, maybe you should write it down?
Okay. And
if
then,
you like have an idea
and then go to Hollywood and have it made into a movie?
Yeah, if you have an idea for a movie, you think it was already a movie that you saw, but nobody else has seen it, that means you made up a movie.
Cool. Maybe I'll have to get on that.
Because I don't know what you're talking about.
It's a movie about truckers.
Yeah, alright. Well, thanks, Bert. We'll see you on Wednesday.
Get on the horn
Awesome.
next time. Make yourself known to me.
Okay.
Or
Yep. I'll blast away.
Otay.
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 Otay on the okay.
No, you know Otay.
Yeah, I think I just saw Donald Trump on this show.
On
Oh my gosh, yeah, Donald Trump is in this movie, yeah.
What is he doing?
He is one of the kids' dads.
Hey,
I
that's
think
cool.
the rich kid, maybe.
Maybe he's going to be
Really?
president.
Not sure.
Do you want him to be president?
Uh-huh. He just spit out some popcorn.
Just totally ignore my question.
He was shocked, though, or what?
I don't know.
Probably.
Donald Trump's in the Little Rascals. That's not a good reason for him to be the president.
I want him as a rascal president.
Hillary should put that in her trash campaign. Like, did you know that Donald was in the Little Rascals movie?
I did not know that.
Don't let him be the president.
Whoopi Goldberg was in it, and Mel Brooks.
Yeah. I guess if he's like on the same level with Mel Brooks and Whoopi Goldberg.
I was almost going to say, what, he's 1930s or 40s movie, 19 teens, whatever.
19 teens? No, the movie is from the 90s.
Right.
Little Rascals came out in like the 30s.
Yeah, I did.
And then the movie was like a remake or whatever of that 30s show.
Yeah. But I didn't see the 1990s thing.
You
I only know the Little Rascals is the original.
Oh yeah, I only know it really from the 90s. That's when I saw it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Generational gap, yet again.
Yeah.
Here on the program.
Yeah, Carl's.
Oh gosh.
Carl's old man. All right.
You're an old fogey, Carl.
Thanks, Bird. Bye.
Bye.
Let's take a look at that commercial.
Yeah. Wherever it could be. Do, 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 do. Oh, 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 oh. No. No. No.
Oh, you lost it?
Yeah, we're gonna get organized here one of these days. But I think if we ever do get organized, we just lose stuff again.
Yeah, we need a better light. Carl's looking for the tape, and we're gonna have to find it.
Not only a better light, maybe a better set of brain cells to rub together in order to generate electricity. And
is that how electricity works?
Well, whenever you're thinking, I understand that that's. Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
No, I like it. Hey, it's a commercial. On the program today, we face the greatest fear.
What is it?
Loot, or what's it? Wasting your
Wasting
life.
your life. Hello, Mr. Vincent,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Are you gonna fucking answer the phone?
Don't waste your life away. You can't hear us.
Or what?
We're on every night, 11:30 and 2 a.m. on TCTV channel 22.
It sounds like you're answering the phone, but I can't hear a fucking thing.
Yeah, you can.
360-836-4384. State Capitol comes.
Stop Scary Month. Stop it. Never again.
I wish.
Yeah.
We're stuck in it again. I'm scared. I'm so scared all the time.
Yeah.
And it's not comfortable to be scared this much.
Oh. 10:10. That's tomorrow. Whoops. Wait a minute. Ugh.
Why do I have to be so scared all the time?
I don't know.
It's not fun. It's to be scared.
Unless you like to watch a scary movie and
Yeah, I guess that's
life
fun.
and laugh and
It's
be
fun.
scared at the same time.
And then it turns off though. But we're scared for a whole month now.
Jesus.
Please leave your message for
La 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 la.
Douglas.
Oh. Well, either way. I don't know.
Friday, it's the program.
You can call us back. You have about, like, 15 minutes.
We told ourselves not to do Scary Month in the commercials. We're like, don't do it. Remember, don't do Scary Month. But we did it.
But it's too late.
We're in it. We're in it now.
Ah!
Scary. How come you didn't watch the debates? You don't care anymore? Now that Bernie's out, it's like it doesn't matter.
Yeah, well, they're two rich people, and those rich people are only getting 40% per piece.
Bernie's rich too, though.
He's one of the poorest people in the Senate. If you believe the internet at all, but I know some people are kind of like skeptical. They don't believe. You know.
Isn't being rich like a good sign that you're good at like managing the
Hell
economy
no!
and stuff?
Oh my God, no!
But how do you,
Holy shit, no!
How do you run the economy if you're not good with money? You gotta run the economy, which is like what a big part of the presidency is, isn't it?
Donald Trump wants to rewrite the tax system, and he wants to rewrite the tax system while bailing out on taxes and having the American public pick up the bill. And I don't know what that says to the people that are voting for him. That they were forced to pay taxes for years and years and years, and you know, being that he's rich, he's able to have offshore accounts in the Cayman Islands or a Swiss bank or whatever.
But he can get the country those offshore accounts now if he's good at swindling and moving around all the money and stuff. Maybe he can swindle other countries and get the money and take it home to us without having to pay like world taxes.
I think we're already in the trade war of like Japan or China or
maybe he can work it so that we can avoid paying the global taxes if he's so good at avoiding taxes.
Well, why do we want to avoid paying taxes for again? I thought
it's to save us money. I
thought taxes are the toll roads. You know, the price to pay to have a civilized country. You know, if people want to have this, you know, Republican or the libertarian this Wonderland or whatever, you know, this great thing. Did you stop the VCR again?
No. I don't know what the timer messed up though. I think the timer's messed up again. We gotta get a new timer.
Well, yeah. There ought to be a cooking store. Actually, there was a cooking store in the Capitol Mall, but I think it's long since moved out. Is there not, you know, like a series of numbers that would roll over and cascade on the computer?
I think it's still going. I just can't hear the clicking. I can't hear much. I think I'm losing my hearing.
Well, maybe that's why you like to turn up the volume on things.
Maybe I have Costco-enteritis in the ears.
No. You're mixing things up. Costco-enteritis is like a pain that you have in your breastbone or cartilage or whatever.
Yeah, but maybe I have it
on your chest.
I have the Costco-enteritis of the ears. You know?
Yeah.
You ever gotten the Costco-enteritis of the ears? You don't have any cough anymore? It doesn't hurt to cough? How's that feel?
Scary.
Scary? Doesn't hurt though?
Yeah, like it should hurt.
Yeah, let's play the final dice game.
God damn it. Shit.
Here we go. It's the final dice game. Doodaloo-doo. Two, 3, 4. What's the other ones? 5, 6? Oh, 6. 4s, huh?
Yeah.
Did somebody have a 4? Bird?
Yeah.
Bird. Bird 1.
Yeah.
Ah, over there.
Where? Over here?
Over wherever he is.
Oh, over there. Yes.
On the phone. Over on the phone.
Yes.
Where's the phone?
Over there. Ah!
Scary. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Let's call some McDonald's. Ah!
McDonald's, I haven't heard from you in so long. I want to know exactly what you have to say about hamburgers and
What do you
your milkshakes.
What do you have to say about hamburgers?
Yeah.
Um,
Which hamburger meal do you like the best?
what's your preference on hamburger meals? You think they're going to answer that kind of question?
Probably not.
Yeah, we ask them about their products, not about like
They'll probably go like click.
They'll answer questions about their products, but maybe not about their preferences. You know?
Yeah.
Like, why would they want to know? Why would they answer questions about their products when they can answer questions about their preferences? Because how is that going to be a question that would be like helpful to them? You know? You know?
No. I don't know.
Here we go. Oh, getting ready to call them. When was the last time you went to McDonald's? Yesterday? Recently? What'd you eat for lunch, Carl?
Macaroni and cheese, I think.
With, like Kraft?
Yeah.
From the dollar store?
Yeah.
They still have it, or you bought a lot of it when you went there?
Yeah, I bought a lot of it when I went there. But I was, I don't know. I was at Fred Meyer within the last maybe 2-3 weeks, and
Why do you always go to Fred Meyer? That seems like your favorite place to go.
Well, I go to Safeway too.
Yeah. But I haven't been to Fred Meyer in years.
Well, then I will not go to Fred Meyer in years just because you don't.
Well, I mean, you can keep going, but why? I mean, is it better than other
Well,
places?
I don't know. It's just, it's right next to the game store sometimes.
Oh, is that why you go?
Yeah, I mean, it's there in Lacey, so I'm in the neighborhood, so why not go to it? I don't know, but I could stop going there.
'Cause I go out
God
there.
damn it,
It's right
Carl!
It's right next to the Lacey Transit Center, so I'm close to Fred Meyer all the time, and I just never think to go in there.
Well, you probably don't have the a little bit of time for you to do that when you're on the bus. It's always get up and go.
Yeah.
You might have like this downtime of like 5 or 7 minutes to be at Lacey Transit Center. It's probably not
No,
a lot
maybe
of time to shop there.
I could take an extra 15 minutes and catch the next bus if I wanted to.
Well, right. But you don't have a car to put
There's
the
nothing,
junk in.
There's nothing about Fred Meyer that you prefer. It's just that it's convenient.
Yeah.
It's right there.
So anyway, I was walking down the pasta aisle or whatever, and I managed to see the stuff that they have at the dollar store at Fred Meyer, and it was like, the price that
It was like
people just
$1.29 or something, huh?
yeah, people that drop in or whatever, they might pay a little bit over $1. Are a part of Fred Meyer daily deals or whatever, or somehow in the corporate sales, savings plan or whatever, that you could have their pasta for like $1 as well. So that kind of.
You could have
Yeah,
Fred
you-
Meyer pasta for $1?
Yeah, you don't really need to go to a dollar store for dollar items.
Well, yeah, they have stuff that's less than $1.
Well, yeah,
You can buy pasta for less than $1.
right.
That's if you buy it in bulk. At Winco, they have the cheese sauce
Yeah.
and the noodles. You can
Right.
just buy it in bulk at a I'm sure it's way cheaper because you don't get very much cheese sauce when you buy a pack. And
I don't usually have cheese sauce.
what do you don't use the powder?
No.
You just.
Well, I mean, yeah, I use the powder when I'm using Kraft, but at the dollar store they don't have cheese powder, and I was
Well, then that's just macaroni and period. That's not macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, it's macaroni and period, and I was at Walmart within the last 2 months or whatever, 3 months.
McDonald's?
Hey, McDonald's, do you guys have the sweet chili sauce back yet?
No, we don't.
Because I'm waiting for it to come back. I heard it's going to be coming back in the fall.
I don't know anything about that.
You guys don't know, you have like a calendar of sauces or something?
No, as far as I know, we're not getting the sweet chili back. I'm sorry.
Maybe, can you tell the managers to tell their bosses, and maybe you can link it up the line?
Okay.
Okay.
I am the manager. Thank you.
Can you tell your manager?
Sure.
Like the boss of the store maybe, like the owner?
Yep, I'll let him know.
Thank you. That was really crazy sounding over there at McDonald's.
Yeah.
That McDonald's is so crazy.
Yeah. I managed to buy this big box of just elbow macaroni at Walmart, and so yeah, I'm not wanting.
How did you manage that?
When I was at Walmart.
Did you have to work for it, or they just stole it to you? You give them money.
Sold it.
You give them money, they give you macaroni.
Yeah, right.
How'd you manage that one?
Just by going there, I guess.
How much macaroni did you buy?
So like there's like, I don't know, it's like a gigantic box. So I bought like 3 boxes of it, and I haven't been drawing from it like every day. You know, it's still, there's still a box of it at my apartment.
You bought 3 gigantic boxes?
Yeah, it's like 32 ounces or something.
And you're eating it all the time?
Well, not all the time. Sometimes I go to Zatarain's.
It's either macaroni or Zatarain's, though. Well, at least you're cooking on the stove, though, right?
Well, yeah.
I remember for a long time you didn't cook anything.
Right, because like I had shared my apartment with Sean, a DJ person that had moved to Seattle, and there were a couple of other people in my apartment at the same complex that has now become Dan's complex, and probably like at least 100 other families or whatever. But the housing situation was so interesting there that people would like to steal food, so I was like, okay, I'll just eat potato chips or whatever out of my car.
They stole your food?
Yeah, so,
Did you tell them?
I'm not really one to confront. I'll just kind of pick up and move. So
maybe they thought that it was open. Maybe all you do is say one thing.
No.
Yes.
Well, if people have that kind of concept about, free food just wherever you go, then they're even more of a freeloader than I am.
Maybe they wanted you to eat their food, and then you eat their food, and
they didn't buy any food. Come on, man.
So you bought all of the food. They didn't buy any food.
Well, I didn't buy all of the food. I bought my share of the food.
And then they ate it.
Yeah.
But you don't want to feed them? They're hungry. And what do they do after you stop buying food?
Well, yeah, that's probably why, I'm probably 1% libertarian. Everyone for themselves. So, go out and find that libertarian paradise, in the islands or whatever.
What?
Maybe a community of 100 people or something. That could work, but.
What did they eat when you didn't feed them though?
A country of like 100 million, 130 million, whatever the population of the country is. You can't a policy like that, you know, libertarian, everything for themselves probably wouldn't work out such a good idea. Because then nobody would get around to paving roads, and you know, everything's like, what's in it for me?
Well, why do we need to pave the roads?
Well, because we think what's
Why
best for everyone.
Why is everybody traveling so far? Why don't we need to go places? Why don't we just stay in the same place all the time?
Well, I don't know, but maybe Donald Trump as president will fix that. Yeah.
We can destroy the roads.
Destroy the roads.
Stay.
Pay no taxes. Yeah, it's going.
Stay local.
Stay local.
Like ultra local.
Yeah, hyper local.
You don't need to go to all those places.
Oh, that's not working. Because I ejected the tape. Okay, put the tape back in, Carl. Now let's do this thing. Come on.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, Final Dice game.
Oh, damn it. I mean... Scary. Alright, there we go.
11:32 a.m. It's channel 22. YDHWM.com. Check it out.
Right.
360-836-434. Call leave a message. You guys won't be on the ground. Do anything if you want, though. Scary. Raven, Quentin, Susanna, William, Zilker, UFO FBI, thank you. TCTV, La Baby, Jordy, Fabulous, Graham, Supplemental.com, John Webster, Thurston County, Washington State, USA, thank you. Viewers only, hell yeah, dogs! Bye!
Bye.
Coming up in the next episode of the program.
Your daily out with me.
I will kill you.
No!
Oh no! Oh my god! Help! Help! Oh god! Help! Help! Oh god!
It's scary month. Carl's scary sounding.
Yeah, I'm only from the Lawnmower Man, so you don't need to be afraid.
Call
of me.
McDonald's. One is in Walmart. We talked to Freddie on the phone about changing the graphic design on Rainier beer cans.
What?
We're on every night 11:30 and 2 a.m. on TCV channel 22.
Can you actually do that?
360-836-4384.
What? I'll leave a message. Oh my god! No!